Hey folks, today I'm excited to dive into the latest real estate stats for July 2024 in the greater Edmonton area. If you're in the market to buy or sell, you'll want to stick around for this one. First off, let's talk about the overall buzz. There were a total of 2,941 residential unit sales in July 2024. That's a 3.5% increase from June and a whopping 27.1% higher than July last year. New residential listings came in at 3,729, up 2.9% from June and 13.2% higher than the same month in 2023. But what about inventory? Overall inventory in the GEA decreased by 1.4% from June and is tracking 15.1% lower than July 2023. So it's definitely a competitive market out there. Now, let's break it down by property type. Detached unit sales reached 1,708. That's a 2.8% increase from last month and 23.5% higher than last year. Semi-detached unit sales took a bit of a hit, decreasing 6.6% month over month, but still showing an increase of 13% year over year. Row townhouse unit sales were up by 4.7% compared to June and a staggering 52% more than July last year. Apartment condominium unit sales were also on the rise, 32.3% higher than the previous year and 11.7% higher than June 2024. Let's talk prices. The total residential average price came in at $440,466. That's a slight 0.4% increase from June and a 7.7% increase from July last year. Detached homes averaged $552,031, rising 2.3% from June and up by 9.8% year over year. For semi-detached units, the average price was $406,906, which is down 3.6% from the previous month, but up 7.4% year over year. Row townhouse prices saw a 0.7% increase from June and a 10.6% jump from July last year, averaging at $292,072. Apartment condominium average prices were $204,315, down 3.4% from last month, but still 4.9% higher than last year. The MLS Home Price Index composite benchmark price in the GEA was $406,600. That's a slight decrease of 0.4% from June, but up by 7.1% from July 2023. Now let's look at how long these properties are staying on the market. Detached homes averaged 32 days, which is an increase of 3 days from June. Semi-detached homes were at 27 days, a 1-day decrease. Row townhouses were at 31 days, up by 6 days from last month. Apartment condominiums averaged 43 days, an increase of 1 day. Overall, all residential listings averaged 33 days on the market, which is 3 days longer than June, but 12 days shorter than July 2023. So there you have it, folks. If you're planning to buy or sell a home, now is a great time to get expert guidance. Reach out to the Gurpreet Ghatehora real estate team at Royal LePage Magna, part of the Manny Baga team at 780-951-6530, or visit EdmontonHomesandSale.com. Serving Edmonton and area since 2007 and ranked top 100 agents in Canada from 2021 to 2023 by Rank My Agent. 5-star Google reviews. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate updates. Catch you next time.